Hey folks, welcome back. Today I would like to share with you a very easy and fun vanilla cookie recipe. Super simple, very little time, and few ingredients. This is also something fun if you need an easy DIY gift idea for the girlies or want something fun to do with the kiddos. So let's begin. So first we have our butter, our brown sugar, eggs, our vanilla, our plain flour, and our baking powder, bicarb soda, and salt. Combine all those ingredients together until you get a nice, soft, smooth dough. Should look a little something like this. Once that is done, scoop your cookie dough out onto a piece of plastic wrap, seal that up and pop that in the freezer for roughly 30 minutes. This will allow the dough to set and firm up slightly. Once your dough has chilled, pull that out of the freezer, pop that on a clean bench, sprinkle a little bit of flour on top and underneath just to prevent the dough from sticking, and begin to roll out your cookie dough. Then letting your creativeness take over, use whatever cookie cutter you want. I live in Australia, so I'm using kangaroos, koalas, maybe some crocs in there as well. Got some stars too, some lips too as well. Whatever cookie cutters you have, anything that looks good, start cutting out your shapes. You can repeat this several times by re-rolling your dough until you have used up all your cookie dough. Once you've cut out all your cookies and placed them on a baking tray, pop them in the oven for roughly 8 to 10 minutes. Pull them out and allow them to cool. They should be firm and have slightly golden edges and a golden bottom. You want them to remain pale on the top. From here you can decorate your cookies, or you could leave them plain. I've got a couple of icing pens lying around and a little bit of melted chocolate, so I pulled my partner Jack out and we are going to have a little competition to see whose cookies look the best. I picked some sunglasses and he picked a koala. So let's see who's the best at decorating. And it is pretty clear who the winner is. Jack's definitely has the most character and mine completely broke in half, but there you have it. Cute little vanilla cookies, super sweet and super simple and super delicious. This is also such a good gift idea as well if you're wanting something sweet and simple. Here are a few hearts I whipped up a little while ago. That's it for today, folks. I hope you give this recipe a go, share it with your friends and family, and while you are here, please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below any recipes you'd like to see next. That's all from me today. Thank you.